I'm gonna go right up here, look. Psych. Just kidding. What's up, everybody? So in today's video, I'm just gonna kind of do a little channel update, guys. The guy you see in front of me, that's my friend, guys. He's learning how to ride. He has his permit, and he, you know, he's excited to ride. I have my license, so I figured, you know what? We can go together, man. You know, bikes, they attract people. I was outside just cleaning my bike. Somebody comes up on a bike, man, like, yo, what's up, man? Is that your bike? I'm like, yeah, man, it's my bike. Next thing you know, we're friends. That's how bikes are, man. It's all about learning and having fun, man. I remember when I was learning to ride, man. It's a fun experience, you know? So what I'm going to talk about today, guys, is, as you guys saw, I have a new intro. I'm going to be kind of messing around with that and seeing what I like, what I don't like. I'm going to be changing the outros and stuff like that. So yeah, it's just gonna be basically like a little channel update. Yeah, man, so I realized too, with all this internet stuff, TikTok, YouTube, I realized, man, you can't be scared to try new things, because if you're scared to lose, you'll never win. So I'm gonna try doing more of the vlog stuff inside the moto vlogs. I love moto vlogging, but I also want to vlog inside my moto vlog, if that makes sense. I actually just upgraded some equipment as well. And like, you know, I'm gonna try and learn the editing stuff a little bit more. The thing is, man, people can look at your channel and be like, oh, he can't edit well, or he needs to do this better and needs to do that better. But one thing they can't measure is how bad you want it. Oh shit, this car's flying. Like being alone, hey, 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 like being stoned. Alright guys, so I just wanted to say I hit 800 subscribers as well. Thank you guys for that. As you guys know, the goal is 1,000, and after that, it's just all for fun. Honestly, to get to 800, man, I'm really happy. And you want to go ahead and pass me up here? Go ahead, because I want to get you on camera. Here's my friend right there. He just got a, that's a 2021 Kawasaki Ninja 400. It's actually a really, really cool color. Bikes, man, bikes just bring people together. I'm gonna let this car go. Come on. Be careful up here, because cops hide up here sometimes. And I'm talking to him on my AirPods, guys, so it's cool riding with friends. I was just explaining to him how, like, you can get away with using your back brake on like slow, tight turns. You know, you don't really want to use your front brake. He was just telling me that the figure eights, man, those are pretty tough. But yeah, you can use your back brake for those. Here, I'm gonna come around you, all right? Just stay where you're at. I'm coming up to your left. Dude, the best investment I ever made so far was the tripod. All right, I'm gonna be pulling off over here to the right to get gas. Actually, let's go to Wawa. Let's go to Wawa. Yeah, so come in left over here. I'm gonna put like $3 on my bike. All right, we're gonna go over here all the way to the right, and then the first one. Uh-huh. Huh.
Like, you know Moto Loop?
Moto what?
Moto Loop.
No, I don't think I've heard of them. I'm gonna show him your bike real quick. Real quick, guys, we're at the gas station. I want to show you my friend's bike. The Ninja 400. This is a really nice color. And then, as you guys know, I got the Gixxer over here. Alright, I'm gonna put some gas in it. Thinking, what are you guys thinking? 87? 87? Yeah, let's do that. 87. Psych, just kidding. 93. I'm gonna use this way. I'm gonna walk out. I'm gonna walk over there real quick. I can piece this together if I want. So hold on a sec. Alright, you ready? Alright guys, yeah, so I got some gas. Gas lights off. Put $3 in this bad boy. Alright, we're good. I'm going on the outside. Alright. Alright, slow down, slow down. Alright, we're gonna go right at this next light, alright? He's having a good time, man. That's cool. Watch out for this truck. So I'm just kind of riding and chilling, guys, you know? What's going on over here? Police officers. Man, it's such a nice day. It's a nice day to ride a motorcycle, man. It's always a nice day to ride a motorcycle. Back roads are kind of like the best part of riding, man. I know they're the most dangerous part, but they're the most fun. Damn, did you hear that backfire? Dude, I gotta adjust my pegs, man. My pegs are too high. I need to move them back. I realized that, guys. I gotta move my pegs back. My pegs are like, my legs are way too scrunched up on here. So I'm gonna make that adjustment. He just asked me an interesting question. He was like asking what's the miles per gallon on this? I don't know. Yeah, watch out for this mailman. You gotta prepare like he's not gonna see me. So, all right, he's not even in it. Perfect. I want to show them your bike. I'm gonna kind of pull up next to you just to show them. All right, just focus on you. Yeah, guys, here's his bike, man. Just chilling out here, moto vlogging, having a good time. Tell me what you guys think about that bike in the comment section. It's a nice like teal color. That's the first time I've ever seen one, actually. How many miles does your bike have on it now? 173 miles, guys. That's like nothing. Just kind of want to get on here and get some throttle therapy today, guys. Dude, this is so cool, man. Talking to your friends and riding, man. And also talking to your friends riding and talking to people watching on YouTube, man. That's pretty cool. Alright, guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this one, man. I'm glad you guys came along for the ride. I hope you enjoyed it, man. Make sure you guys subscribe, man. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.